Welcome. We are here, Northeast Georgia. Derek's already hooked up. Out here fishing for the I-League. Trying to catch some big bass, trying to do something. Beautiful day. We've had great weather here in the mountains. Been nice. Well, it happened again. They caught another cheater. SCYAK. The tournament director, Travis, caught this guy. This is the dumbest cheating I've ever seen. This is like the dumbest cheating. And I've seen several. We had a guy cutting tails on charity tournaments. We had a guy like some buddies dropped him off fish on Hartwell one time. And they all get caught, most of them. And then this guy, this is the dumbest one of all time. Homeboy brings to Murray now, which is known for big fish. He brings 3 fish dead in a cooler, or they died in the cooler or whatever, of between 12 and 13-inch bass, and kept trying to post them. And of course, you know, it gets denied, and the guy gets pissed off. Travis exposed him. I don't know why these guys do this. It's the dumbest thing. You can find all about it. Go to SCYAK Facebook page. I'll tell you a little bit about SCYAK. Is a cool club. They're a good little club. They're doing a lot for getting people into kayak tournament fishing. Travis has a great YouTube channel called Travis Does Fishing, where he does fishing videos. He does a lot of some DIY. He does he's been working with Muddy Bay Outfitters. He's been working with the big Bonafide. I forget what they call it, but the big Bonafide rig. He's got one of those, and he's been an avid fisherman in the game like since as long as I've known him. So I'm sad for him, because when you're a tournament director and you have to deal with the cheater, it's just like, you know, I don't know, you're put in a kind of a difficult position. At first you get really mad, you know, and then like after it sinks in, you get kind of upset, take it personally, get hurt, but get your feelings hurt a little bit. But this guy was caught. He's done for as far as tournament fishing. Everybody knows his name now. Once it gets out, you know, pretty much ruin it. Pretty much ruin your reputation over trying to bring three dead fish to a freaking kayak tournament on Lake Murray, where on Lake Murray, don't even think about. I mean, it takes an 18.5-inch average to get a check at Murray. That's like 10th place. So I don't know. It always sucks when you see this, but that's it. That's the story. Check out SCYAK. Check out Travis Does Fishing. Good YouTube. You can hear all about it. Hear all about the drama. The kayak tournament fishing drama. But we're out here with Derek. We're going to catch a few, and I'll be checking back with you. There's a nice one right there. It's too small to measure. We need bigs. We need old heads out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh yeah. That'll measure. That's an old fatty fat. That's a big old fatty fat. I'll take a picture of him. We will take a picture of him. Let's get the camera out. I'm sorry this had to happen to you. You handled it well, though. You need to be bigger.
How big?
17 and a quarter. I caught 2 already. Not big, but there's, yeah, just throwing the fluke and the blow up. Oh, there's a nice long one. High league. Oh gosh. Oh, they busted all around me. Might go 20. Might go 20. Might be a deuce tray. No, he's lucky to be a deuce. Okay, let's see. It's a good. It's an old good. It's an old good. Oh gosh, come on. I just want to take a picture. 19 inches. That's good. There he is. Let him go. 19 inches. 19. Up over there. Got him. Derek's hooked up. He got a big one. He got a goog. This googin moved in. Is it gonna make 20? Show you my fluke rig. Oh man, we both broke off, but Pike ate our stuff. But starts off with a bobber stop. We're doing the fluke setup. Then that's a 5-0. A 4-0 hook. Bend shank. You don't need that EWG. They suck with the fluke. Oh, giant just blew up over here, Derek. Trying to do this without my glasses. I just use a double clinch knot. That's it. About as simple as it can be. Ooh. We got no tournaments coming up. I wanted to fish the bass on Lake Russell, but like, this is a weird year for me because the club is messed up from the hurricane, so I'm not going back to work till the end of July, but I'm usually working in the weekends. I mean, I get like the winter tournaments and I get like the early spring tournaments, but I'm booked from like the 1st of April to the second week in November, right before Thanksgiving. And I never get to fish a tournament, so I don't know why join. I'm already a bass member, like regular bass member. I mean, if I had weekends off, I would. But and Lake Russell's a really cool lake. They should let anybody fish it, really. I don't know why they don't. It's just more entry fees. You'll get more people. Probably get 25, 30 more people. Derek's hooked up. He's got a big one. He's pulling his kayak around in circles. He's got the net out. It's in the net. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's the native Titan X. It's a hot boat right now. That's an old stud.
Another 18. I'll take 15, 18.
15, 18 is going to be third. It's going to be third place.
What's that?
I said 15, 18 is going to be third place. They're blowing up down there by the.
Yeah, I know. They're all through the here.
We got a Guggen over there. He's got his hat on backwards.
Oh my gosh. Wish I could see. He's hot. He's getting ready to.
Let me get a quick. Native Watercraft Titan X release. Those videos are gold. Those videos actually carry value now. There's a decent one right there. Nice. Let's measure him real quick. Nah, I'm not going to measure him. He's 16. It's a good one, though.